Hi. Okay, so we're going to trim this lower adjustment screw so that it gives better ground clearance. We need to find out how much room we have here. We'll take a measuring device and we're going to measure this, but we're not going to cut the end with the Allen. We're going to cut this end. So we'll measure how much room we have here. We'll then take it out and then we'll cut it and we'll clean it up and we'll put it, and then it'll be flush with this nut. That means that any ground clearance would hit the chassis. It isn't going to hit this adjustment bolt. So you want to do this after you've gotten your alignment done, your ride height's done, everything's checked at that point. That's what you want to do, is trim that so you have the best ground clearance possible. $17 millimeters. Allen side, push side. So here's 17 millimeter. So we're gonna cut it there. Gonna mark it with some tape. Put it in the vise. We're gonna cut it off. We're going to take this jam nut and put it on afterwards, and we're going to spin it off so it cleans up the threads on the other end. Good to go. So we're gonna put it flush. Flush, so if the ground hits it, we're still good. Lube the end of it. Let's put it on. Lube it your friend. Tight.